Is your digital marketing team feeling more like a chaotic circus than a well-oiled machine? Hey everyone, I'm your name, and today I'm pulling back the curtain to show you exactly how I use Asana to manage my 7-person digital marketing team, turning the chaos into calm. First up, project setup. I create a dedicated project in Asana for each major marketing initiative, like a website launch or a big advertising campaign. This keeps everything focused. Within each project, I break things down into manageable sections, typically mirroring our marketing funnel: awareness, engagement, conversion, and retention. This gives us a clear line of sight from initial strategy to final results. Next, task delegation. For each task, I assign a specific team member, set a clear deadline, and write a detailed description outlining exactly what's expected. Tagging relevant team members ensures everyone stays in the loop. To make things even clearer, I use Subtasks for multi-step processes, breaking down large tasks into smaller, more digestible chunks. This makes it easier to track progress and prevent bottlenecks. Communication is key, and Asana keeps it all centralized instead of endless email chains. We use the comments section within each task to discuss progress, ask questions, and share relevant files. Everything stays organized and easily searchable. Finally, performance tracking. Asana's reporting features give me a bird's-eye view of project progress, highlighting potential roadblocks and helping me identify areas where we can improve our efficiency. I can see who's on track, who's falling behind, and adjust resources accordingly. I also customize dashboards to track our key performance indicators, or KPIs, like website traffic, lead generation, and conversion rates. This allows us to make data-driven decisions and optimize our marketing strategies in real time. So, there you have it. That's a quick glimpse into how I leverage Asana to manage my digital marketing team by using a structured approach to project setup, task delegation, communication, and performance tracking. We've been able to streamline our workflow, improve collaboration, and ultimately achieve better results. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.